Hi guys, a very good evening and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. It seems as if President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa has become the laughing stock so far. Dr. Walter Mzembe says there is a salient message being communicated to Zimbabwe's chairmanship of SADC by heads of state in the region constituting the 15-member bloc and clearly reflected in the attendance list to the extraordinary summit, which has reduced it to a Council of Ministers meeting. And it is that they are sovereigns, and that Zimbabwe is not a perfect a prefect as chairman. They also seemingly are displeased with the downgrading of the agenda, which is sidestepping Mozambique election crisis, in which the chairperson in Zimbabwe itself is clearly conflicted. Sort out your mess, Mr. Chairman. This is Sangsit message. Mozambique itself will be represented by an expired, dependable go-to president who has always saved the face when there is no show, Nyusi. And we have many examples, most recently government heads, agricultural show which Cyril Ramaphosa had been built to open. Cyril is again attending the seemingly more important G20 Brazil hosted meeting with his sister, Sulu Samia. Incidentally, the Troika chair, whose delegate to a Council of Ministers meeting incorrectly referred to Daniel Chapo as the president-elect of Botswana. So Filipe Nyusi is no longer standing in the current scheme of things except to save someone's face. And the DRC is a perennial SADC agenda item. So President Felix will be there. Nothing comes out of SADC attempts to resolve his issues. He is a permanent guest. Duma Boko, the new kid on the block, has his capital appearance at the Children's Party in Victoria Falls, exploited to the fullest in a show of childish diplomacy by state propagandists cheating opposition leadership in Zimbabwe that you thought you owned him. Ndewed Uyo. You soon learn a few things on calibration. The incoming chairperson of SADC will religiously attend in case there is an ad hoc request for recusal from the floor, potentially possible under the circumstances. Sum total, SADC News Extraordinary Summit has been snubbed. Saka, looking at this, Dr. Walter Mzembe seems to have actually gotten this one. This is my own view again. We share a lot in common right here. So, Parapinda says, I hear you, comrade, but let us be honest on President Nyusi. The insinuation that he is no longer important is far from the truth. He is still president of Mozambique, the same as Biden being a leader of the US. Legally, he is still the leader of Mozambique until Chapo is sworn in. Okay, Skanzi, you can continue hosting him, no issue. Okay, Sevia Kasukwere agrees as well. Skanzi, your wishes and the reality are different. 40% heads of state government for an emergency meeting is pretty normal. This is not normal. Not normal at all. We are talking about 40%, but there are 10 who have not attended, which means just a third attended. Just a third heads of state attended, and you view that as something which is something. Thank you for this excellent analysis, Doctor. We severely lack leadership. Everyone in ZANU-PF to the upper echelons of government seems tainted with this childish and professional approach to issues, and always somehow trying to make it about how is ZANU success embarrassing. So I agree with Dr. Walter Mzembe. This is what we have talked when we were live, and we'll watch to see what is going to come out of this so-called summit.